exciting.
Help is on the way. U.S. officials say the nation's first COVID-19 vaccine will start arriving in the States on Monday morning. The big question is, when will it arrive in our area? Good evening, I'm Joe Holden. The FDA approved Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine for emergency use. That happened late last night, and now trucks will start rolling out tomorrow morning with shipments. It is a major milestone as the national death toll from the virus reaches nearly 300,000 Americans. Our Alecia Reid spoke to Philadelphia's top health expert tonight and has the latest on when the vaccine will arrive in the Delaware Valley. Alecia.
Good evening, Joe. Philadelphia Health Commissioner Dr. Farley says we're in the worst part of the pandemic with 1,000 new cases every day, 100 people dying per week, and hospitals are filling up. Now, the vaccine will help, but it will take some time. The city's top health official tells me the newly approved Pfizer vaccine will make its way to Pennsylvania early next week.
Yeah, I'm planning to take it.
Health Commissioner Dr. Thomas Farley says the end of the pandemic is in sight.
We got a long way to go between here and there, but the fact that we're starting now is very exciting.
People will need to take 2 doses, 3 weeks apart.
My school, Rowan School of Osteopathic Medicine, they've actually been approved as a vaccination center. So I'm excited for that to be something that the students and the faculty can help out with.
Farley says at least 70% of the population needs to be inoculated in order for the vaccine to be effective.
We need to have a big percentage of the population that has antibodies so that when the virus is spreading from one person to another, that most of the people around that person don't get infected, and if they don't get infected, then they don't spread it to others.
Not everyone is interested.
No, we're not.
No, it hasn't been tested and been out there long enough to know what the side effects are. And considering that, you know, like a person like myself with health issues,
Yes.
no, it might make my situation worse.
Tracy Marshall and Marvella Johnson believe the vaccine was manufactured with too much haste. However, experts say to date, there haven't been any severe adverse reactions.
The vaccine trials included many people who had underlying medical conditions. As a matter of fact, they sought out people who were at greater risk for severe disease to include in the trials, and they did not have those adverse reactions.
Now, as the country awaits the vaccine, Dr. Farley suggests we get used to keeping them on. He thinks we will be wearing them through 2021. Reporting live from Spring Garden, Alecia Reid, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Alecia, thank you for that report. Today is the first full day of new restrictions across Pennsylvania as the Commonwealth and its leaders tries to quell the spread of the virus. The restrictions went into effect at midnight and last through January 4th. They put a pause on indoor dining and entertainment, and indoor gyms will temporarily close. K through 12 sports and extracurricular activities will also pause. In-person businesses must operate at 50% the capacity of the building. Indoor gatherings and events of more than 10 people will be banned, and there are no outdoor gatherings of more than 50 people allowed. The number of positive cases, continuing to rise according to health officials. There is a look at the tri-state area with the city of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania reporting more than 11,000 new COVID cases in 24 hours. 200 more people have died. Philadelphia has more than 1,200 new cases. New Jersey announces more than 6,200. 70 more people have died there, and Delaware reports more than 1,000 cases. 8 people have died with the virus.